be able to make your wig move on your command, not on this command, then keep on watching.
I'm on a whole nother level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch that is not on my level. I do not give a fuck. Tell a bitch try her luck, she'll get folded like a pretzel.
Hey y'all, it's Jeremy's. Today, I'm showing y'all how to make your frontal glue. Before we get started, I need y'all to subscribe to my channel. I'll wait. Alright, y'all subscribed? Okay. So, the only thing you're gonna need today is a wig. This is a wig that I've previously had before. I've worn it, so like the lace is already cut. All I did was give it a good wash and a good lace cleaning. You are going to need an elastic band. If you have the skinnier one, that's fine too, but I prefer this one when doing the frontal just because it gives you a little more, I guess, strength width-wise. Laying down, it's not just a little skinny part. So if you're getting it, I recommend you get this one. They have them on Amazon, and they may be like $10 for a roll. Or if you don't feel like waiting, you're trying to get this wig today, sis, go to Walmart, go to Michael's, and you can get you some elastic band, okay? Okay. And then you're gonna need needle and thread, some mousse, any type of mousse will work, some Spritz, and your handy dandy as first. If you are using a wig that you've already used before, which is perfectly fine, you need to make sure your lace is clean. This is not going to work if you get some old glue stuck all in your lace. Like, it's not right. No, it needs to be clean. If y'all want a video on how to clean my lace, I can do that, but this is how mine looks. There's no glue stuck in it. It is clean lace. You feel me? Clean lace. Get into it. So next you are going to flip this on your head. Ooh, I look like Tina Turner. You're gonna put this on your head. Okay, so then you are gonna take your elastic. So before we even get started, when you are going to fit it around your head and see where you want to pull it, you need to pull it a little bit. You don't want to pull it like this. You don't want it like this. But you also just don't want it like this. It needs to be some stretching, because the reason for having the band on it is to stretch. Is to pull the lace so it will lay flat. So if it's not pulling it enough, it's not gonna lay flat. Okay? But if you put it too tight, your head gonna be hurting, sis, and you're gonna want to take this wig off. And you're not gonna be able to do that. So we need to get it right the first time. So all I'm gonna do is clamp the front of this up. And I'm going to take my elastic band and pull it around the back. And I'm going to pull it a little bit, just a little bit. And so I usually like mine to sit like right behind the ear. So like right here. And so I'm gonna put it like right there. And like right there. Alright. So I got a good pull to it. I'm not like this. It's got a little pull to it. So when I put it back on, it's gonna pull the lace flat. That's the whole thing. You want your lace to be laying. You don't want it to be sitting. You want it to lay. There's a difference. So I have where it's ending over here, and I'm just gonna hold it in place. So I'm gonna take it, get it where I want it to be, and I'm going to. All right, y'all. I know everybody does not have a mannequin head, so I'm not gonna do it on one. It's very easy to do it just like by hand. So first, you have your wig, and you're gonna flip it inside out like this. And so you're gonna start sewing. You're gonna start at the end, and so the width of your lace is gonna lay in the same direction as the cap is going. So the placement is gonna be a little bit over from the left, maybe like an inch over from the left, and from the cap maybe down 1.5 inches, so about right here. This is going to be my placement, and I am going to take my needle and begin to sew it. About maybe 1 inch, and then I'm also just going, and when you put it on there, you literally just bring it around. You do the same thing. So this part of the elastic is running the same way as the tracks. All right, let's see if this thing fits, y'all. I hope it fit. I hope it fit right. All right, so I think it's fitting pretty good. Like, the main part we're worried about is this piece up here. So this piece up here is flat, like that part is good. We're cool right there. Now the sides are gonna have to be kind of mousse down, because you can't be out here flying like this. Like, that's not okay. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. But first, I'm gonna go off camera and press out these roots a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back, and as you see, I took off my wig cap because I don't think I want to wear it, because you can kind of see it up underneath, and the lace looks good enough with that one. So we're gonna go back in. I also did put some of this powder from this palette. This powder right here. I put it all over the front of the hair, like on the hairline right here. I just went through and did that. Alright, so first, all I'm doing is going in and pulling out my baby hair. So like I said, I've worn this wig before, so it already has baby hair cut on it. So I'm just gonna try to go in and find them a little bit. If I can't really find them, then I'll make some new ones. But this is not a baby hair tutorial, so I am going to speed through this part, and when I have things to say, important tidbits, I will chime back in. You feel me? Alright. So, okay, before I start, when I go in and start doing this, I'm going to be laying it with my mousse. So this is where the mousse comes in. So when you go and lay your baby hair, you need to lay it with mousse. If you want a tutorial on how I lay my baby hair with my glueless units, comment below and let me know. I don't know unless y'all tell me. Spray my lace with Spritz. You don't want to sip this up because this is what's going to like keep it kind of tacky to your head, but it's still not being glued down. And I'm also going to go in and spray just a little bit of gas-free glue in this area because it's it's staying down, but like I don't want it to fly up. So I'm gonna spray right up in there, and then for the rest of it, I'm just gonna go in with my Spritz. Alright y'all, so I'm back and I curl my hair, so I'm about to take the curls down and then we're going to take the scarf off. Ooh, so I am going to go in and comb just the side side over here because I don't want it to look all hard. But I'm not going to comb out them two pieces because I need this to last. Like I'm not trying to be halfway through the day and over here coming up. So if you want a softer look, feel free to comb it out. I'm not going for the soft look right now. So yeah, I'm just going to comb these the ends of the hair that's hanging like that. Comb that part out. And then comb this part out. Alright y'all, this is the end to my tutorial. As you see, glueless. Now, it's not glueless to the point where like, it's glueless, not glue down your head. You can come and take it off at night. This is not one of those glueless tutorials where like you can just pick it up and put it down, because honestly, I just don't think it's realistic. I don't want my wig just flopping around if the wind blows a little too hard. So it's not glued to my head, but it's definitely not moving right now until I make it move. So if you, all right y'all, so this is the end of my tutorial. As you see, the wig is definitely down. It's not going anywhere. Like, I'm not pulling too hard. But like, it's definitely not moving anywhere by any means. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, if you think I did a good job, please thumbs up this video, subscribe to me, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat at It's Jarvis, so you can see when I give all my updates. So you can see all of my updates. Cause y'all, this wig ain't moving. It's glueless, but it ain't moving. And that's all we need. That's what I wanted to deliver to you, and I feel like it's been signed, sealed, and delivered. Please pick up the package. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe to my channel.